Hello guys, so I just want to do a quick tutorial on how to add an extension to Chrome called Go to Channel. First up, you click Google Chrome and then you find these three little dots on your upper right corner of your screen and you click Settings, and then over here at the left side of your screen you click Extensions. And then after that you click these three little bars on the side. So this one's gonna pop up. Go to the bottom of your screen and click Open Chrome Web Store. And now this will appear on the screen. All you have to do is type in here, search the store, Go to Channel. It doesn't have to be uppercase, and you can do it with no spaces, and then press enter. This little man will appear with a cowboy hat, and then you click add to Chrome and add extension. Wait for a while, it's checking. So that's it, it's been added. So now you go to a live stream, just wait for a while. So now you see the names are bright green color there. All you have to do is put your mouse over to the channel's name like this, and you click on it, and it will automatically take you to the channel. Alright, let's try another one. This one over here, click that, and voila. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye.